Parang kailan lang nang dumating ang Realme sa Pilipinas. Wala pa nga yatang isang taon. Pero despite that, they were able to introduce some of their products na to the Filipinos. Of course, we have Realme C1 na some of you already bought. Meron din tayong Realme 3 and also Realme 3 Pro which they just announced recently. We also have an unboxing which you might want to check out. But during the announcement of the Realme 3 Pro or the launch of the Realme 3 Pro, they also introduced or announced that they will be bringing in Realme C2 to the Philippines. And saktong-sakto, inabutan tayo ng Realme C2. Kaya ang gagawin natin ngayon is we're going to unbox this for all of you. Just for you to know what you can find inside the box. Alright, so let's go. This is the Realme C2 and for what it's worth, it looks cool and clean. Pero hindi siya sobrang kakaiba pag kinumpara mo sa Realme C1. Para lang tong throwback ng Oppo A5s na halos kamukha naman ng Oppo A3s. Realme C2 runs in a different DNA though, and while it looks somehow similar with its predecessor, it runs and performs differently under the hood. Let's talk about how it looks first. Realme C2 does not have to make an effort to look different. Its new diamond cut design, just like Realme says, never wears out. Ibang-iba ang itsura nito when directly compared with the Realme C1, which sports a glossy design. Sa wakas, hindi na smudge magnet ang C2, pero medyo madaling dumulas sa kamay mo. Kung dati, Realme wanted to mimic the natural reflection of water surface on the Realme C1, Realme C2 reflects a different kind of shine when you shift angles. Minsan parang kulay itim ang back panel nito and minsan naman parang dark blue. Mapapansin mo rin na yung sinasabi ni Realme na diamond cut design kapag tumama yung ilaw dun sa surface ng telepono. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. For starters, this is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22 2GHz octa-core processor. Mas maliit ang microchip nila pero mas mabilis kumpara sa Realme C1 na mayroong Snapdragon 450. Hindi pa namin sukat ang bilis nito but we'll surely report it when we post our full review pretty soon. RAM is definitely upgraded to 3GB compared to last year's 2GB. And the PowerVR GE8320 GPU looks powerful for consumers to be able to play some mobile games favorites like PUBG Mobile Lite and Mobile Legends. Siyempre, susubukan natin itong mga game na to and report everything on our full review. In terms of camera, same configuration ang rear cameras compared to Realme C1, pero mas mataas at maliwanag naman ang front 5-megapixel camera nito with f2.0 aperture. Realme C2 shows a lot of promise and I can't wait to test this further. If habol mong mag-upgrade from another budget smartphone with 2GB RAM and slower CPU, then you might want to consider Realme C2 as one of your best options. Wala pang presyo ang Realme C2 as of now, but we will definitely update everything in the description kapag meron na. And so I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing of the Realme C2. As of the production of this video, wala pa kaming presyo o hindi pa namin alam ang presyo ng Realme C2 because they haven't actually told us anything yet about its price. But we're looking at around 5,500 to 7,000 pesos in that middle for the price of the Realme C2. We're crossing our fingers and hopefully yun nga yung maging presyo niya. To those of you who have been supporting us on Facebook, on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and our website, we would like to thank you all for that.
And we also encourage you to continuously support us because we want to do something that would make you happy, and we want to be able to improve our craft to make everyone happy as well. If you haven't subscribed to our page, we would appreciate if you can do that. Just click the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube and click that notification bell. And if you're watching this on Facebook, mas gusto namin sana na malaman yung mga comments ninyo. Use the comment section. We would appreciate if you can react to our video, be it from thumbs up to down to the angry. Let us know. We would appreciate that. And yun. So again guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon on our next video.